Robin. And guess what? These are her puppies and they're only 2 days old. 2 old puppies. They were born on Saturday. We're gonna check them out on my Westies TV. Here we have Robin's litter, 2 days old. They were born Saturday the 11th. We don't normally videotape 2-day-old puppies, but these guys are doing so well. We're going to show them to everybody. So let's check these guys out. Okay, let's check out Robin's litter. First one, we're gonna weigh in. These guys are really tiny. Put one in the palm of your hand. Show us how small they are. Here, zoom in on that baby. Look at that.
I think she's probably the biggest one though. She's the smallest. Let me see. I think you're the smallest one.
Look at that.
They're 2 days old.
2 days old, born on the 11th of May, 2019.
I'm only videoing them this young because they are doing so well, and Robin's a really good mom. I have not had to do any extra help at all with these guys. Alright, so who do you want to do first?
Okay, I don't have anything written down here. So, Robin's litter, and you can choose. Okay, purple girl.
Purple.
Purple girl.
First 2 days they lose weight usually, so I don't expect them to have much gainage from what they were.
She was 6.6 ounces 2 days ago.
She's 6.3.
6.3.
Usually they start gaining 8, 4, and 5.
Next is pink.
Pink is small. She is 5.1.
5.1 ounces. Next is red girl.
Oh yeah, the girls are born first. She's 5.7.
5.7 ounces. She was, huh? Yeah, she was 5.4, so she's gained.
What was pink before?
Pink was 5.4, she's still 5.4. And dark blue.
Blue was
6.1.
he is
6.7. Alright.
when they're first born, they always renew. And light blue.
And light blue boy.
He was a little one.
He was 5.7.
He's 5.2.
5.2. These guys are so tiny.
But you look at yourself to eat and you can't find anything in her. I'm sorry, baby. Nothing there. Wait, look at mommy there. I hear her barking.
Yep.
She's done
Robin's getting antsy.
She's done
I'll show you guys these beautiful puppies. Here we have Robin's litter, 2 days old.
They look like little white rats, actually.
They do.
People said they're cute, and I said, you have to be honest and tell me they're little white rats. Alright, let's go see mommy.
Alright, now take it to their mom. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to keep up what's going on around here with what is going on around here on My Westies TV. We want to thank all our subscribers, 340 of them. Everyone have a great day.
Let's go see mom.